You spend a lot of time in your car, whether it is for work, romantic ride, or a picnic with your family. Between the work, family events and journey, you may forget to maintain your car. Performing regular maintenance on your vehicle matters more than you think. Get in the habit of conducting time-based periodic maintenance and avoid potentially costly breakdowns as well as to extend the life of your car. Toyota makes a vehicle for everyone, and each car has different replacement interval. As per our recent observation during the lockdown, even if you're not driving much and vehicle is mostly idle, oil can deteriorate over time. Time-based periodic maintenance will ensure all engine components, ignition and fuel system will perform with high efficiency to avoid emissions, which are harmful to the environment. Toyota dealership works with digital interface module with recommended high-tech equipment and tools. Dealership provides genuine parts and excellent customer care with a good facility. Time-based periodic maintenance done by dealer has rewarding advantages like vehicle safety and performance, warranty coverage by saving your money and time to enhance comfort and worry-free vehicle usage,